guys, and welcome back to Programming N. And today I'll be teaching you how to make a simple animation in Scratch. So first we want the characters to be moving. So I'm going to take this. We have two costumes to make the legs moving. So forever wait 0. Nope. Let's put 0.2 seconds and then next costume. Let's look at that. That doesn't look smooth enough. That looks good. So when green flag pressed, instead of forever loop, we want it just to repeat a certain amount of times so it looks like he's moving a certain amount of frames across the screen. So let's just do repeat 10 and move one step. That looks good. Let's do 20. Not 220, 20. And let's try that. Look, we landed on the wrong costume, so we want to do an odd number instead this time. So let's try that out. Look, we landed on the correct costume. So let's do say hello. And then we're going to duplicate this, but we're just going to flip horizontal and flip horizontal. So they're going to come and meet each other. So let's do this. I don't think that worked right. Look, that's moving incorrectly. So let's try -1 steps. That's working. Hello. So that's how you create a simple animation, just like that. You have the costume switch. You could add more costumes, make the animation look smoother. But instead this time, let's make them come and talk to each other very simply, just like that. So let's go. I don't think that looks fast enough. So let's move 3 steps for this one and -3 steps for this one. Oh no, they're passing each other. What happened? We need them to start over here. So when green flag pressed, we want this one to go to the position that it's at. And then for this one, we also want it to go to the position that it's at. So let's go. Hello. Let's have him move slightly. So instead of 41, let's do 31 for this one. They're walking over to each other. They say, he says hello, he says hello. And that's really it. That's how you make a simple animation in Scratch. Hope you enjoyed another episode of Programming N. And as you know, you can also always check out my Scratch profile and see the simple things that I make and understand how it works. Please subscribe, like and subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode of Programming N.